Who were the key players on the 1997 199 Colorado Avalanche? Imagine a team that not only dominated the ice but also captured the hearts of hockey fans everywhere. The 1997 199 Colorado Avalanche was one such team, showcasing a blend of talent, determination, and teamwork that led them to success. As we take a closer look, we will uncover the players who played pivotal roles in this remarkable season. At the forefront was Patrick Roy, the legendary goaltender known for his exceptional skills and competitive spirit. Roy's ability to make crucial saves during high-pressure moments made him a cornerstone of the team's defense. His leadership on and off the ice inspired his teammates and instilled confidence in the entire roster. On the offensive side, Sakic emerged as a key figure. As the team captain, Sakic was not only a prolific scorer but also a playmaker who could set up his teammates for success. His vision and hockey IQ allowed him to navigate through defenses, making him a constant threat to opponents. Another standout was Peter Forsberg, whose unique combination of size, skill, and creativity made him a nightmare for defenders. Forsberg's ability to control the puck and create scoring opportunities was instrumental in the Avalanche's offensive strategy. His chemistry with Sakic was evident, as they often collaborated to produce highlight reel plays. Defensively, Adam Foote played a vital role in solidifying the team's blue line. Known for his physical style of play, Foote was a reliable presence who could shut down opposing forwards. His toughness and commitment to defense were essential in protecting the net and supporting Roy. Additionally, the Avalanche benefited from the contributions of other talented players, such as Milan Hejduk and Chris Drury. Hejduk's scoring touch and Drury's versatility added depth to the lineup, allowing the team to maintain a high level of performance throughout the season. As we reflected on the 1997 199 Colorado Avalanche, it becomes clear that the combination of these key players, along with their dedication and teamwork, created a formidable force in the National Hockey League. Their legacy continues to be celebrated by fans and serves as a reminder of the excitement and passion that hockey can bring.